My TV set
is like a
Action.
My TV set is like a school that choose knowledge to what and know. Acquires my experiences and unlock my difficulties. It make me laugh. Ha ha ha! For dance and sing. Mama finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Changing my mood, what's pictures dream? Watching eyes at what I see. Glass from my TV screen.
Wow.
How about the people on earth? Well,
Action.
that eventually
Ah.
God saw how bad the people on earth were. Everything was very sad that made them.
God.
God said, I will wash away everything that I have wasted.
But
But the Lord was happy with one man. His name was Noah. He was a good man. One day, God talked to Noah. God said, build an ark so that everyone fire, come into this rain. Wish, 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 chop, chop, chop. At last, the art was finished. The door was open. Oh! Suddenly,
Noah.
Noah in his house and all the children went inside the ark. Ha 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 ha!
Where? Oh, see. He,
Where is the flood? There is no rain. Ha ha ha! Someone is coming and shouting. Look! Look! Look at the animals. Elephant, giraffe, camels, horse, birds, and many more were marching 2 by 2 and taking part.
suddenly,
Was raining and the water
there was
I was lightning. 40 days and 40 nights it was raining and
mas gantingog.
raining. And 40 nights it was raining and raining, and the water became deeper and deeper.
Finally,
Finally, the rain stopped.
a beauty.
Beautiful rainbow at the sky that children never destroy the earth anymore. We kneel down and worship God, keeping us safe.
Wow.
Thou art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive our debtors, and lead us not into temptation, deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever. Amen.